Hello everyone, welcome to our hands-on data science series. In today's video, we are diving into the module 1, Introduction to Data Science Tools. Especially, we will be covering the section 1 on overview of data science. Let's get started. What is data science? Data science is a multidisciplinary field that uses scientific methods, process algorithms, and systems to extract knowledge and insight from structured and unstructured data. It combines aspects of statistics, computer science, and domain expertise to analyze and interpret the complex data. Data science involves several steps like data collections, data cleaning, data analysis, and data visualizations. Each of these steps is crucial for transforming raw data into actionable insights. Now let's talk about the importance and applications of data science. Data science is incredible importance in today's data-driven world. It helps organizations make informed decisions, optimize operations, and gain a competitive edge. And here are some key applications of data science. First one, the business analytics. Companies use data science to analyze market trends, customer behaviors, and sales performance to make strategic decisions. Then, healthcare. Data science is used for medical imaging, drug discovery, and predictive modeling to improve patients' care. Then, finance. It helps in fraud detections, risk management, and investment predictions. Then retail. Retailers use data science for inventory management, personalized marketing, and demand forecasting. Then transportations. It is used for route optimization, predictive maintenance, and autonomous driving technologies. As you can see, data science has a wide range of application across various industries. Understanding these concepts and tools can open up numerous opportunities for you. To start with Python for data science, we will be using Google Colab, which is a free cloud-based Jupyter notebook environment. It allows you to write and execute Python code in your browser, making it an excellent tool for learning and experimenting. Google Colab, visit colab.research.google.com to get started. You can create a new notebook and start coding immediately. Colab notebooks, these are the notebook you can create within Google Colab. They support rich text, code execution, and even visualizations libraries, making them highly versatile for data science projects. Python has a rich ecosystem of libraries that are essential for data science. Here are the three key libraries we will focus on. NumPy, a fundamental package for numerical computing in Python. It provides supports for arrays, mathematical functions, and linear algebra operations. Then Pandas, a powerful data manipulation library that allows you to work with data structures like data frame, making data cleaning, transformations, and analysis much easier. Then Matplotlib, a versatile plotting library used for creating static, animated, and interactive visualizations in Python. It's a great for generating plot charts and other visual representations of data. In this module, we provided an overview of data science, highlighting its importance and various applications across different industries. We also introduced Python as a fundamental tool for data science, covering essential libraries like NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib. Setting up the environment with Google Colab ensures a streamlined workflow for your data science projects. Stay tuned for more in-depth tutorials and practical examples in upcoming modules. I hope you found this introduction helpful in understanding the basics of data science and Python's role in it. Stay tuned for more tutorials and practical exercises as we continue our journey through data science.